the number of x subtracted by 6 over x minus 4 is not rational number if x equal 4, because if we put x equal 4 here, then the denominator will be 0 and any number divided by 0 undefined. So the result will be x equal 4. If x equal 4, then this number will be not belonging to rational number. Okay. Question number 2. The rational number negative 7 over x is positive if space. It will be positive if x greater than 0, because negative divided positive, it will be negative. You want to find positive or negative? He tell us in the example it's positive. Okay, is positive. It's positive. Okay, if x greater than 0 or less than 0, less than 0, because negative divided negative equal positive. But if negative 7 over x is negative, then x will be here greater than 0. Okay, so in this example you want to find if x less than 0, then example it will be positive. This number will be positive. We must choose letter A, x less than 0, because negative divided by negative equal be positive, such that x equal negative 1 here, negative divided negative equal positive. Okay. Question number 3. The multiplicative inverse of negative 4 over 7 power 0. First step, we know this term, negative 4 over 7 power 0, it will be 1. It's the result, but he wants to find the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse about this number, it will be 1, because 1 equal 1 over 1. And we can replace numerator by denominator here. The inverse, multiplicative inverse about 1, it will be 1. Choose letter C. Question number 4. Subtracting negative 3 over 2 from 0. We can write 0 first. It's the millionth, okay? And subtract by negative 3 over 2. Subtrahend 0. Subtract by negative 3 over 2. Negative times negative equal positive. Then 0 plus 3 over 2. The result will be 3 over 2. It's the result about this example, 3 over 2. Because we can find subtracting this number, negative 3 over 2, from 0. Right, 0 is the first, negative 3 over 2, negative times negative equal positive. The result will be 3 over 2. Next question. Number 2. Question number 2, number 1. The rational number 4 subtract by x over x minus 3 equals 0 if x equal 4. If we put x equal 4 here, the numerator will be 0 over 4 minus 3, it will be 1. 0 over 1, it will be 0. So in this example, if x equal 4, then this expression or this fraction here, it will be equal 0. Okay, the result here, if x equal 4, then this fraction will be equal 0. Okay, understood? The rational number here equals 0 if x equal 4. Question number 2. The div inverse of 5 over 6 power 0. First step, we can find the result about 5 over 6 power 0, the result equal 1. Okay, then the additive inverse of 1, it will be negative 1. It's additive inverse of 1. We must change the sign about this number, but the multiplicative inverse, you must write 1. Okay, we know here additive inverse, change the sign about the result 1, it will be negative 1. Question number 3. 50% plus 3 over 4 equal space in the form e over b. First, 50% it will be half. Half plus 3/4, it will be what we can write 4 in denominator. Let's call multiplication between denominator here 4. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 2 times 1 equal 2. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. 1 times 3 equal 3. 3 plus 2 equal 5. 5 over 4. Write 4 in the numerator here. 5 divided by 4 equal 1 and remainder 1. Result 1 and 4th. Next question. Number 4. The rational number which has no multiplicative inverse, it will be 0. 0. This number has no multiplicative inverse because 0, if we change it 0 here, we know 0 equal 0 over 1. And if we put 1 over 0, it's undefined. Any number divided by 0 undefined, okay? So the result will be 0. The rational number 0 has no multiplicative inverse, okay? Question 3. If x equal 5 over 6 and y equal negative 1 over 3 and z equal half, then he wants to find the value of y plus z minus x. Okay, we can find the result here by add y and z first step. Y here negative 1 over 3 plus z equal half, subtract by x 5 over 6. And then we can write the least common multiplication between two numerator here 6. Okay, and here 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 1 equals 2. Then we can using commutative properties here to find the result. Negative 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6 will be 1 over 6. Subtract 5 over 6. The result will be negative 4 over 6. 1 minus 5 equal minus 4. Next question, letter B. Find the rational number lying between two numbers. We can find the number by find the median or the middle between two numbers. You can find the mean of two numbers, negative 4 over 9 and negative 5 over 6. First step, we must add two numbers and then divide the result by 2. Okay, negative 4 over 9 plus negative 5 over 6. And then we can write half in the numerator and then write 9 here. 9 and 6, we can find the least common multiplication between 9 and 6, it will be 18. 18 is the least common multiplication between two denominator. Okay, and positive times negative, it will be negative. Write negative here and write then 18. 3 times 6 equal 18. 3 times 5, 15. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 4 equal 8. And then you can simplest write 18 the numerator, 8 minus 15, it will be minus 7. And then multiplication numerator by numerator and numerator by numerator. 1 times negative 7 to negative 7. 2 times 18 equals 36. The result will be negative 7 over 36. Okay, you want to find the number lies between two numbers here. Next question, number 4. Using distribution properties to find the value about this example, we have 5 over 13 times 6 plus 5 over 13 times 8, subtract 5 over 13. Then we can write 5 over 13 outside between two numbers. Write 5 over 13, first, second, third. First term, the result will be 6. This term divided by 5 over 13, it will be 8. 5 over 13 divided by itself, it will be 1. And then we can write 5 over 13 multiplication 6 plus 8 equal 14. 14 minus 1, it will be 13. 13 divided by 13, it will be 1. 1 times 5 equal 5. We use the here distributive properties. Understood? It's last question, okay?